Is it still going? Oh, Lord. You shouldn't be listening to it right now. Does that make sense? You shouldn't be listening to it right now when I'm doing a lesson.
I don't have music on. I just left it on because it goes.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. Accidentally, sure. No worries. Should be doing the you try, yep. Isn't there an X here too?
Oh.
Yeah. So we want to put it in alphabetical order when we write it. So X comes before Y, so you want to put that X first. Yeah, good. So you should get negative 24, X to the 9th, thank you, Y to the 5th. Questions on that? Okay, on to the next one. Okay, what's different on number 7? Yeah, so we have multiplication and addition, both of them. What do we do first? Yes, why do we do multiplication first, Shireen? You're right. Yes, from PEMDAS. So we got to multiply first. So we're going to do this multiplication first. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then how many p's do we have? So this is p to the 3rd, p squared, p squared. Yes, that's going to be 7. So we're adding those exponents, 20p to the 7th. Plus, and then we have to multiply these next. This gives us 2x to the 7th. Can we add these together? No, those variables are not the same. So this is not a problem up here, but there's a problem similar to this on your homework. What if this was 20p to the 7th plus 20, or say 5p to the 5th? We can't do anything with that one, can we? Because they're not like terms. So they have to be like terms in order for us to be able to add them. Like terms means the same variable and the same exponent. So see how these exponents are not the same? We can't do anything there. Okay, so what do we do on number 8? So you could write it twice. You could write it as 4n to the 4th times 4n to the 4th, which gives you 16n to the 8th. However, sometimes we have a number that's maybe big there. Say that was a 6 instead of a 2. We'd rather not have to write that out 6 times. So how can we do this without expanding it like this? What would we do with the exponents and then that coefficient that's in the front? Shireen.
Like squaring or whatever number we have, and then
So what do you do with the power to a power? You multiply. Good. So you're going to multiply your 4 times 2 to get 8. And then you're going to have to take your 4 and square it. So the number in the front, the coefficient, you do something different. You have to take that 4 and square it, which would then be the 16n to the 8th. Does that make sense? So let's do that on number 9, because we don't have to write that out 4 times. So we're going to take 3 to what exponent? 3 to the 4th. And then what do we do with our exponents? When it's an exponent to an exponent, we multiply. So 2 times 4 is? What's 2 times 4? 8. So we take 3 to the 4th, which is 81, m to the 8. So we take 3 to that exponent, and then we multiply those exponents when we have an exponent to an exponent. Did you have a question, Alina, on that? Okay. Okay, go ahead and do the U try. I like this. Do you add those or do you multiply 3 and the 4? So if they're 2 separate bases, we add them?
Oh, no, you
Yeah, you want to multiply in that case. That's right, good. Good so far, Omar. Yeah, good, good. Can you do this one from 10? Good so far.
Where she belongs.
Yeah, good. 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 All over it. See how, yeah, good job. Can I see yours? Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so you should have gotten 16m to the 12th. Questions on that? Okay, last two. So what do we do first on number 11? So pay attention, 2 more problems. What do we do first on number 11? We've got parentheses with an exponent out there, so we need to simplify that first, okay? So we're going to take 2x to the 4th and multiply it by, what's 2 squared? 4, and this becomes x squared, y squared, because we multiply those exponents. And now we multiply these together, and what do we get when we multiply these? Hey, Son, what do we get? Good. Yep. What do we do first on number 12, the last one? We want to do the exponent to an exponent. So we have 2x to the 4th to the 3rd. So 2 to the 3rd, which is 8. And then we multiply exponents, so it's 8x to the 12th. And then what we want to do next is multiply over here. So Ashley, what would we get over here? Good. And then are they like terms? Yeah, so now we can add them. If and only if they're like terms. And so they would add up to 11x to the 12th. And we don't do anything with those exponents when we add. Okay.